of the Year Female, with the nominees being
The Editor's Choice, the TV Star of the Year nominees: Sarah Geronimo, Marian Rivera, Ann Curtis, Kim Chu, Judy Ann Santos, Chris Aquino, Carla Abellana.
And the winner is an actress who is versatile, can do drama, action, and comedy. She also dances very well. She has remained visible and active even after her soap ended in April 2013. She is the primetime queen of GMA. The TV Star of the Year Female is Miss Marian Rivera.
Our Editor's Choice for TV Star of the Year will be receiving cruise vouchers from Star Cruises.
Ayan po, sa lahat po ng bumubuo ng PEP, maraming salamat. Ma'am Joanne, salamat po. Nakakataba po ng puso kung paano niyo po ipaliwanag kung sino si Marian Rivera. Salamat po sa pagtitiwala niyo. And good evening, everyone.
Congratulations, Miss Marian Rivera.